Introducing the brand new Feeler VDX-850 Vertical Machining Center, designed for the high-speed die and mold market. The specially designed A-shaped column base effectively increases structural rigidity. Advanced FEM software was used to design machine structures, ensuring rigidity, accuracy, and reliability. 15,000 RPM direct drive spindle is standard. Power is fully transmitted for high precision and efficiency. X and Z axis travel is 850 and 635 millimeters. Machine is equipped with a 24 tools automatic tool changer. Y axis travel is extended to 650 millimeters and is suitable for mold makers with wide and long workpieces. XYZ axis feeding system uses high-precision roller guides that ensure a high load capacity, low coefficient of friction, and precise positioning. VDX excels in precision, efficiency, and surface quality. A rotary table can be added for 4/5 axis machining. Extra space is reserved for installing fixtures. Workpiece measurement is performed using a coordinate measuring machine for precision. STC Plus improves the quality and accuracy of machining curved parts. Improvement of the path distance and poor programming. VDX-850 Vertical Machining Center is designed for mold and die industry and provides high-quality, high-speed machining for the automotive, aerospace, and other industries. If you need more information, please feel free to contact us.